In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate support for your Fiat 500. It's located on your hatch. Make sure that you have supported your liftgate before removing your liftgate support. What you're going to do is put a small screwdriver in here and you're going to pry it open slightly and remove your liftgate support. You may have to wiggle it around a little bit. Sometimes they get stuck if they're rusty. Once you pry that out, you're going to pop it off using a screwdriver. If it's stuck still, they usually just pull off, so you shouldn't be having this much trouble. Remove all the debris. And now we're going to go below and do the same. I'm going to pry that out. So once you've pried that up and over, you can take that off. Let's put the liftgate support on. We're going to start at the bottom. We're going to push it on and then release that snap ring. Should be locked in, and now we're going to go to the top. We're going to line it up. We're going to push it on to the ball, and then we're going to put our snap ring back in, and that should lock it in place. Let's give it a good check. Remove your pole jack if you're using one, and you're good to go. The procedure is the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.